Today we're opening up some mini brands, and yes, we have something from KFC. This is the KFC Mini Brand. This is 2 balls in this set here. We have a special guest with us today. Hello, special guest.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Are you ready to open up these cool toys?
Yeah.
All right. Because you said you saw this downstairs and you said, I want to open these up, right? Yeah. You said, no way, I want them, right? Okay. So let's, so there's 2 balls in here, correct?
Yeah.
All right. So let's start. Here. Open it up. And just take out the ball. We'll take one out. We'll start with one.
Yeah.
All right, now let's see. We'll start with this one here, and we'll see what's in here now.
Sometimes hard, but mostly easy.
Okay, you think they're pretty? Oh, look at that. Oh, that's pretty easy. All right, cool.
And we have another layer.
Another layer in there. Oh, so 2 layers. Wow. They really don't want you to open it, do they? Oh, well, this is really fun. I mean, we love these kind of things, little openings, little surprises. I think it's a lot of fun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like doing these, don't you?
Yeah.
You like doing these videos?
Yeah.
You want to be an influencer when you grow up? All right. Oh, careful. Oh, there you go. All right. Oh, all right. So how many are in here? Let's count them. Let's see what we got here. So we got the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there is 5 in each one. So there's 5 in each one. So we have 10 to open, which is really cool. I like that a lot. And let's see what we got here. So these are all some of the things they have, right?
And these are all the ones you can collect.
Oh, different ones you can collect. So I'm hoping we get the chicken with a bucket, because that's one of my favorite.
Like
I mean, this is a really cool. There's all different ones in here. So take a look at all those. We're gonna open one at a time. Oh, that's that's coleslaw. That's the KFC coleslaw. Did you know that? Yeah, you don't eat a lot of that, do you? So here is the coleslaw. It looks just like the coleslaw, by the way. It really does look like the coleslaw. That's freaky.
Now let's open this.
Oh, look at it. It's all branded KFC. I like that. Okay, let's open up the next one.
Oh,
let me see.
This is like a
burger. It's a
inside
chicken
of the
sandwich. No, it's a chicken sandwich, because this is KFC. They have chicken.
It's back.
Yeah, and it comes in a little bag. So check this out. Let's do one at a time. Here is the KFC sandwich, which is, let me get a closer with that. You can see the lettuce and the sauce, and here's a little bag that keeps it warm. We keep that in here as well. That's actually pretty cool. That's 2. Let's make sure we do one at a time, okay? This is number 3. We got the bucket of chicken. Oh my God, we got it. Oh, look at the drumsticks. Oh my God.
Now I want to go to McDonald's and get some chicken.
I know. All right, that's awesome. I love
Let's
it.
open this.
Okay, the bucket of chicken. I'm glad we got the bucket of chicken. I was hoping we were going to get the bucket of chicken.
Same, because that's like the main thing.
Yes, and when you have, what's this now? We have,
This is like the bucket that you would get it in. Is that like open?
Yeah, no, that doesn't open. It's just like the little paper bucket. So here is the closed bucket, and this is the open bucket, Miles. See how that works? Open and close, that's how that works. So they got those 2. Let's get these out of the way here. Let's put this over here, over there.
What is that?
Oh, and that is, I don't know, what is that?
Oh, it's like a top and then a bottom. It's like,
I don't know what that is. That's weird. Is it broken, or is that how it's supposed to, is that how it is?
that's maybe
It's like a puzzle.
like a pretend mini.
Oh, that looks like, I don't know. I don't know what this is. It looks like it's coleslaw. Oh, I think this is like a pot pie. Yeah. If I had to guess, this is a pot pie. Guys, if you can comment down below what you think what this is. I don't know. I think it's a pot pie, and this opens up. This kind of opens up. That's a pot pie. Yeah. So far, that is awesome. Yeah. I have to say that I do like these. I have to say, here's the second one. Open the second ball. Let's get the stuff out of the way. And yep. And we got the ball. We'll get these out of the way. And this out of here. Okay, and now we're going to open up the next 5, and that's going to wrap up the video, but stay with me. We're going to wrap up these here. So definitely, guys, if you see these online, definitely pick these up. These are really fun. The detail is amazing. Wouldn't you say so?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too.
I
did this. Oh, look at a soda.
Oh.
A soda, a KFC drink. Look at this. Yeah. Now check this out, the top of it. Look at the ice. Look at the detail on the ice. That is ridiculous.
So that's good.
Yeah, we might be thirsty.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
Let's open.
Yeah. Let's open this one. Yeah. It's like a bucket. That's like more nuggets. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Let's see.
And like a smaller
more nuggets. And this is like the little nuggets for kids. See that? You can see the detail of the chicken. This KFC. Oh, yeah. It says nuggets right on it. See it? It says nuggets right there. That's really cool. Oh, my God. I love these. If you guys love these, definitely smash the like button. Follow us. And we'll do more openings just like this here. This is really fun. Is that another bucket of chicken?
But it looks a little darker.
Oh, this might be. Yeah, you're right. Oh, look at this. 2 different ones. So maybe one is like barbecue, or maybe one's regular, or one could be 2 different recipes.
Yeah.
That's actually very, very smart. Because I noticed a little different bucket. Another bucket of chicken? What is going on here? Oh, what?
Wait, that
Okay.
one looks a little different
No,
too.
but these 2 look the same. Now we got 3 buckets of chicken. What are we gonna do with all this chicken? Oh my god! What are we gonna do? There's too many chickens. All these buckets of chickens. Oh no, we got
Okay.
a million buckets.
Hopefully this one's a different
Can I open that one?
Besides chicken.
Okay.
Sure.
Oh, thanks. Appreciate it. And what's that? And more coleslaw. Oh my god! So we got more coleslaw, more chicken. Oh, look at all this stuff here, guys. Okay, so let's recap. So we have a soda.
Yeah.
1 soda. Sandwich, chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
3 buckets of chicken.
Yeah.
1 closed bucket of chicken. We got a chicken pot pie.
Yeah.
We got chicken nuggets and 2 coleslaws. Well, I think this was a huge success. What do you think?
Yeah.
That was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you very much for helping me. I really appreciate it. Anything else you have to say to the audience?
Make sure you subscribe.
Right. And don't forget the thumbs up, and don't forget to like and share, right? And the big heart, right? Don't forget the big heart. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And don't forget and say pick this stuff up. It's awesome.
Yeah, pick this stuff up. It's really cool.
Thanks, guys.